Hey everyone, the Device Geek here. Buckle up, because today we're breaking down the hottest leak in the tech world, the all-new Google Pixel 9 series. Google's throwing down the gauntlet this year with not one, not two, but three flagship phones ready to challenge the dominance of Samsung's Galaxy S lineup. We're talking cutting-edge features, a brand new design, and a triple-camera showstopper, all wrapped up in a package that's sure to turn heads. So whether you're a die-hard Pixel fan or just looking for the next big thing in smartphones, this video is for you. Let's dive in. First up, we have the standard Pixel 9. This sleek phone keeps the beloved Pixel design language, but with some seriously stylish refinements. Imagine a camera visor that ditches the bulky look and sits seamlessly on the body. That's the Pixel 9. Plus, rumors suggest a matte finish on the visor and a glossy finish on the sides, creating a phone that's both premium and comfortable to hold. But don't let the compact size fool you. The Pixel 9 packs a punch with a dual-camera system featuring a main wide sensor and an ultra-wide sensor, perfect for capturing stunning photos and videos in any situation. And let's not forget the gorgeous 6.03-inch display with a discreet punch-hole selfie camera. Now let's get hyped for the power couple, the Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL. These titans of tech boast a triple-camera system housing a noticeably larger camera visor, hinting at some seriously impressive photographic capabilities. The design follows the trend of stunning flat phones with rounded corners, offering a luxurious feel reminiscent of the iPhone. Here's where things get interesting. The Pixel 9 Pro rocks a spacious 6.5-inch display, while the Pro XL takes things to the next level with a near 6.9-inch screen. Both Pro models flaunt incredibly thin bezels, maximizing your viewing experience without sacrificing style. Across the entire Pixel 9 lineup, Google is rumored to be equipping the next-generation Tensor G4 chip. This powerhouse chip is believed to be a customized version of the Exynos 2400, promising top-tier performance that can go toe-to-toe with anything on the market. And with Google's expertise in AI, you can expect the Pixel 9 series to be at the forefront of the AI revolution, pushing the boundaries of what smartphones can do. The Pixel 9 series is expected to launch in October, so mark your calendars. While we don't have all the details yet, here's a quick recap to keep you drooling. Pixel 9. Compact design, dual camera system, 6.03-inch display, Tensor G4 chip. Pixel 9 Pro and Pro XL. Triple camera system, larger displays, 6.5-inch and 6.9-inch. Tensor G4 chip, rumored to have identical specs. We'll be bringing you all the latest updates on colors, pricing, and any other features that get revealed. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a beat. Now it's your turn to tell us what you're most excited about with the Pixel 9 series. Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and let's get this conversation started. This is the Device Geek signing off, and we'll see you in the next video.